Hi, I'm Benji, and I just heard of One Guy, One Screwdriver, and, I don't know what's on it, so I'm going to watch it. Something tells me I'm going to regret it. The things I do for you, YouTube. Okay, it's loading. Here we go. What? What? That's not natural. Oh dear God. No, don't. Oh, no. No. Oh, fuck. No. God. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with people? Dear. No. You can't die. No. God. Fucking. Yeah. No. Oh. What? Why is there that much blood? What the fuck else has he been doing? What the fuck? uh, um. Dear God. Uh, uh,